Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video I am gonna share with you lots of beautiful bodycon and sheath bodycon dresses. Hope so you will enjoy it and like these ideas. Don't skip the video, watch till the end. So friends, beautiful and different outfit ideas in today's video. As you can see, I have shared lots of beautiful different style of bodycon dresses and sheath dresses. So friends, if you like these ideas, then hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. And if you have any kind of demand related to any fashion idea, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. And also tell me about today's video in the comment section. And if you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once. There I have shared a lots of ideas related to bodycon dresses and sheath dresses and different type of outfits like evening wear, party wear, occasional dresses, work wear, and also street style fashion are shared. Different countries street style fashion are shared, and lots of ideas related to plus size women's and mother of the bride dresses, different nail art designs and footwear, and lots of beautiful different ages women's fashion like over 30, over 40 and over 50, 60 women's outfit ideas are shared, and also haircuts. Hope so you will enjoy and like those ideas as well. So friends, today's video was related to bodycon and sheath dresses. Hope so you enjoyed and like these ideas. Now let me say to take care. Bye bye.